How to add motion blur on CapCut. This tutorial shows you how to apply a motion blur effect to your video directly in CapCut on your Android device. First, open the CapCut app on your Android device and either start a new project or open an existing one. Once you're in the editor, tap on the clip in the timeline that you want to apply the motion blur to. From the editing options at the bottom, swipe through and tap Effects. From there, look for the Video Effects option. In the search bar at the top, type in motion blur to find it quickly rather than scrolling through the full effects library. Tap on the motion blur effect to preview it on your clip and see how it looks before applying it. Once you're happy with it, tap the check mark to confirm and apply the effect. From there, you can trim or reposition the effect on the timeline to make sure it only covers the section of the clip you want it on. After that, tap Export at the top right to save your finished video. Keep in mind the intensity of the motion blur effect can vary depending on the speed of movement in your clip. For faster moving footage, the effect tends to look much more natural and cinematic. And that's it. If this guide helped you add motion blur in CapCut, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon to stay updated. See you in the next one.